it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a beautiful, unique piece of art to decorate in your home with, then you should get this moon planter from Oakadoaks.
This rustic metal moon-shaped hanging planter with fake succulents to fill it with is so unique and beautiful. All of these moon planters are handmade, and I love how they include all of these beautiful greenery, and you can arrange them in whatever way looks best to you. All I had to do was grab a little bit of styrofoam and stick it in there. And I love that it has a little hole right at the top so you can hang a sun catcher, or like I did, I strung my fairy lights through it. And it really is just the most beautiful piece of decor that I've added into this room. I am completely in love with it. And the company is so cool because with every purchase you make from them, they help contribute to planting a tree. So you're helping to beautify the earth and your home at the same time. I call that a win-win.
I really love being able to have unique pieces like this in my home, and I am just so happy and impressed with this moon planter from Oakadoaks. I think it is so gorgeous and such high quality. I am so in love with it, and it has really just made the perfect addition into this room. And I really think that everyone should definitely get one for themselves too. And that is my point of view.